Hey guys, so this is going to be my Japanese food tasting video. So I've got Hello Panda. This is basically a biscuit with chocolate filling. Got these off my friend for my birthday, so got this one. We got these. We got Poppin' Cookin', the waffles. I believe these are waffles. So, and yeah, I actually don't know what these are, but if you know, could you please comment? Thank you. So the first thing we're going to be trying are these coffee biscuits with strawberry flavor. So let's try them. Ooh, pretty. I feel like I'm not going to like these because I'm not the biggest fan of strawberry artificial flavors. They just taste fake. I don't know. Anyways. Here it is. Okay. These aren't the best, but if I had to, I would eat them. But they're not the best. I don't like them. I'm probably not going to like nothing knowing me. Okay, so now we're going to be trying these Hello Panda cookies. So, okay. There's the packaging. Inside. This is super hard opening. Oh, right. We got little panda pictures on these. Here's a little panda picture. I feel like I'm going to like these, actually. They're actually pretty good. Like, I would eat these daily. The only thing that's wrong with them is just a tiny bit more chocolate. Okay. Next. What one should we try next? This one. Let's try this one next, okay? Here we got these, and a spoon, and oh gosh, sorry, that just wrecked your ears. I'm super sorry. Okay. So, what do? I have no idea. Like, actually have no idea what to do. So we get number 1, and we pour it in here. Okay. Okay, how are you supposed to open this? I don't know, like tabby thingies. I'm sorry, guys. If you do not appreciate me doing that, then I'm so sorry. Well, I think I got scissors. Just what I need. Okay. It smells like blueberry. Okay, we put it in here. So it's like white. I'm sorry if you can see, but it's like white. And we've got to add, how many? I believe it's 1. I'm just going to do 1 for the sake of doing 1. So I'm just going to go and get some water. Just got some water. Pop it in here. And stir, stir, stir. Yeah, it's definitely only 1. Because and it's turning yellow. It smells like it's gonna be good. I don't know why. Oh god, I'm so good. It smells like it's gonna be good. I don't know. It's a powder. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so once you've done that, then what are the instructions to add to? So let's go ahead and open up 2. Oh, this is like blue. It's a really pretty blue though. It's really pretty. So we just add that. Oh gosh, I'm putting this everywhere. Okay. And then this contains hard candy. So let's just do this. It contains hard candy. Oh, wow. Oh, no. It's a really bad smell of candy. Ugh. Just pop that in here. And then you basically just spin this around. Put some on your spoon, I think. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. Put some on your spoon. And then add some candy. Like that, guys. Let's try it. Although I don't think I want the candy because I feel like it's going to taste gross. I don't know why. Let's try it. Oh, tastes like lemon. Really bad flavor of lemon though. Oh no, nope. It's really gross. I could not stand to have any more of that. So let's move on. Okay, last thing we need to try are these waffles. So, hopefully I like something. This seems to be not so good. Okay, so we got this plastic thing, this, and this. Let's get started. Okay, so the instructions on here are not that clear. Okay, so I'm guessing, okay, so you're gonna get this and pop it in this little thing. So let's just do that. And then we split. So we're gonna cut this off. Cutting. So we got that. Let's just add the waffle mix. Let's smell it. It smells like. What does it smell like? Please. It smells like instant pudding. That's what it smells like. And it's pretty good, that instant pudding stuff. I feel like it shouldn't go in there, but it actually does. I'm going to go get some water now. Okay, we got some water. Careful. Ugh, we got some water. I feel like we're going to need 2, but... Okay, guys, this is quite hard. I'm sorry if I'm like wasting your time. I think we need like, no, it says 1, but it's like all your stuff and stuff like that. No, I'm gonna get another one, just to be sure. I'm probably wasting your time, but I'm super sorry. Yeah, I feel like it's 2, guys, so yeah, it's 2. I probably wasn't reading properly. I don't know how to read Japanese. I don't think it's working, so I'm going to tip this all into here and try and do it like that. Because it is actually not working the way I want it to work. Oh. Whoop. Okay, This is a failure. Okay, let's get it and put it all back in because this is failing like, I don't know, it's just not, let me use my hands. No one else is having this, so I might as well just go ahead and use my hands if I must. Okay. It's supposed to like make 2, but this is only making 1. Okay, let's just put that in here and make the waffle and make it fail. And okay, let's do number. Okay, so we need to get the. I feel like I need to wash my hands. I'm gonna go and wash my hands, guys. I'll be right back. There we go. Get a towel. Wash my hands. And we're back. Okay. Let's do this. Now let's get some water. I feel like this is the worst like anyone could possibly do this worst. No one could do this worst, to be honest. I don't think no one's done this worst before. Whoa, I feel like that's too much water. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? Okay, we need to like get these, like, pop them in here. I don't know. It kind of smells weird. Okay, you're supposed to like get them and put in these little circle thingies. I can't like show you exactly, but yeah, okay. And then get the red stuff. This one. This is so bad. Pop it in here. Get some water. Okay. Get some water. Oh my gosh, that just went everywhere. Okay, this is not the way I planned this to be. I can't even find another spoon. Oh, it's there. Great. I'm gonna have to use this dirty ass spoon. Now I'll wash it. Okay, it's washed, guys. Yeah, I feel like this is the consistency, not like water. Okay. Is this like waffle supposed to harden up or something? I don't know. Okay, now you're supposed to get. They're not even hard. Like you're supposed to get the bowls out. Like the great, like I don't know. They're not even like hard yet. Aw. This is really bad. Let's just get the sauce and drizzle it over the failed waffle. There we go. Let's get our failed, disgusting looking blueberry. I've only got one. Alright, let's eat. Okay, look how sad and disgusting this looks, guys. Ugh, okay. It tastes like not cooked pancakes. Cold, uncooked pancakes. Okay, let's try some of this red stuff. Oh, I don't know if it's just me or like I'm really fussy or something. But, okay, I'm gonna give this to my cat. I was kidding. No, this isn't something that I like. There's my food. Oh, it's hardening up a bit now. It's kind of better. It's like all sticky now, see? I'm gonna finish this off, guys. I'm gonna finish this off. I don't want to waste food. Especially when my friend bought it for me.